Hi everyone, it's Dagi from Hot Paw Vlog. I was already buying some material today and yeah, let's continue with the quail voliere here. Leonie, Mark and me, we made here a bar so that we can make another level with, I don't know, maybe with rabbits or with here for the little chickens. This was the first idea, so this is why we made this bar here. But we had also the idea to make this bar here so that we can have another level here too. So Leonie and me,
Hello.
we are doing the door now together with Mark. He's behind the voliere at the moment. So yeah, and later I have to cut this foil here. Yeah, let's go into it. Nico is with us too, yeah. Hi, Nico. Yeah, okay, let's do it. So this is now the breadth of the door for the entrance here. And these are the bars here already. So, yeah, we are doing this door now. Yay, the door is inside. Now we have to make the net and maybe some boards and something to close here and a holder. Yeah. Ta-da-da-da! We finished with the door. Yay! It was a heavy birth, how we say in German here. Eine schwere Geburt. Yeah. So this is how our door looks like now. And we can open it here. This was the cable from, yeah. And we also finished here with here on the top. It's closed now too, all around. Yay! And we finished also this one. I had to put another board here on top, so because of the mice. Yeah, this is how we made the door here. So yeah, now the quails can come. And I also cut the pond foil here. Yeah, maybe tomorrow we start with bringing the sand here for the sand bath. I'm not sure now because it was raining today, so yeah. This is how it looks like now. We have to put the foil here outside, and then yeah, the litter has to come here, and then the quails. So the next thing is for sure making here another level for the young quails, for the quails babies. And I'm not sure if I will do it also on this side here because of cleaning. And I'm also not sure if I make a ladder here for them, or yeah, that's something I don't know at the moment, but I don't think so. And then we want to put here another level too. I'm not sure if I will do it for rabbit babies or for the young, the teenage quails. Yeah, that's something I don't know at the moment. And then they can come to the adults here on the floor. And this is our sand bath now. I made this, I liked it when I saw it, so I decided to put this here inside too. And it's also a security for the sand not to come out. But I think I will do a foil here on this side so the sand cannot come out. Yeah. But this is something that should go very fast, I think. Yeah, that's my Voliere here. Mark is coming back here. Thank you, Mark, for helping today. Leonie is already inside and Felix too. They helped me also. Yeah. Let's see how it continues with this Voliere here. I also have to do something for the door from the inside because otherwise it's not locked. So yeah. Yeah, Mark and me, we finish now with our work. It's getting already dark outside, so I hope you like the video and our work. And don't forget to subscribe and give a big thumb up. Maybe you also click on the notification bell. This would be nice, so you can be updated all the time when I'm bringing a new video out. And till next time, bye.